Hey guys, this video we're gonna show you VVKB fuel tank standpipe. VVKB fuel tank standpipe is to suck the fuel in the fuel tank and supply it to the diesel heater with the fuel pump's help. It's welded by iron. It's 70 cm long, and the thread size when it to be installed on the fuel tank is M18 multiply 1.5. It's electroplated and it's corrosion resistant. VVKB fuel tank standpipe can be connected to the fuel line by joining a black rubber tube. The pipe diameter is 5 mm. VVKB fuel tank standpipe is compatible with all brands of diesel heaters.